What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-108255-1. An error occurred on the application. So it's an error about the application. Sometimes your data is corrupted or your application is corrupted, or sometimes it's needs to update. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen, and then go to the check the update of your application. It's updated or not. If needs to update, you must update it. Then go to the system and storage. You just check the storage, and maybe sometime you're having a corrupted file in it, in your saved data of your application, or sometimes you don't have a space in your storage because your application needs a space for launching. And here we go to the console storage, and here we are at the save data sometime corrupted, so you need to just check it, and then check the update also, system software updates. And if your system software is not updated, you must update with the new version. Sometimes you're using an older version, that's why your application is not supported your system, or your system it's not supporting your application. So in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database. You just simply rebuild database, and there is you can update the system software or reinstall the system software. After rebuilding your database, your corrupted file will be deleted and your application will be fixed. And that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and catch you later.